PrivateMediatv review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. If you've been curious about adult streaming services, PrivateMediatv is one of the names you might encounter, but most people get this wrong by assuming every subscription offers unlimited access to all content. The surprising truth is that pricing tiers and bundles determine exactly what you get. PrivateMediatv starts at $99 per month for a basic membership, which includes access to select videos and limited streaming quality. Premium memberships range from $99 to $99 per month and include full HE or extreaming, exclusive content and access to multiple performer libraries. Some bundles offer annual pricing, which can save up to 30% compared to monthly subscriptions. What you get: a curated collection of adult content, high-quality streaming options and higher tiers, and occasionally access to exclusive live shows. What you give up: the basic plan may limit access to full content libraries and higher resolutions. Some premium features, like downloadable content or multi-device access, may require top-tier memberships. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Identify what type of content you want most. Step 2. Compare monthly versus annual pricing to find savings. Step 3. Check if the plan includes HE or IC, if quality matters. Step 4. Read user reviews about streaming reliability and content variety. You won't believe what happens next if you jump in without checking tiers. You might pay for a plan that doesn't include your favorite content. The surprising truth is that understanding membership levels ensures you get the best value for your money without overspending. In conclusion, PrivateMediatv offers flexibility through different plans, but knowing exactly what comes with each tier helps you make a smart choice. Pick a plan that matches your content preferences, streaming quality expectations, and budget for the most satisfying experience.